Gattu Chinky's Playdate. As soon as it is evening, Gattu Chinky finish their homework quickly and say to Mummy,
Mummy, we have finished our homework. Now we are going to play in the park. Yes, Mummy. We are already late.
What? Late? Oh, really, kids? It means you're getting late to go and play.
Yes, Mummy. Just like studying is important, playing is also important, isn't it? And you only say, Mummy, that we should always do all our important work on time.
Yes, kids, it's fine. Now come on, both of you finish your milk fast, then go.
both Gattu and Chinky happily finish their milk and then quickly go to play in the park.
Hey, nobody came to play today, Chinky. The park is looking completely empty. Yes, Gattu, you are absolutely right. Goody has gone to her Nani's house. But where are Bunty and Hari? Hey, Hari has also gone somewhere. And Bunty must be late in finishing his homework. That means today only we are here.
But then Chinky sees that there was another child in the park who was sitting on the swing. When Chinky looks at him carefully, she recognizes that child.
No, Gattu, we are not alone. Look at him. That is Golu, right? What? Where?
When Gattu sees Golu, he also recognizes Golu.
Oh yes, it is Golu. Golu had changed the school last year and after that we never met again. Come, let's go and talk to him, Gattu. Yes, let's go, Chinky.
Then Gattu Chinky go to Golu. Golu also recognizes Gattu Chinky immediately after seeing them.
Hey, Gattu, Chinky, you both here? Yes, Golu. And you left school suddenly last year. Do you even know how much we all missed you? Really? Is it true, Chinky? Yes, why not, Golu? Okay, you come to our house. Mummy will also be very happy to see you. Come on, Golu, see our house. It is right in front of us.
Golu agrees to it. And Gattu Chinky take Golu and head to their home. Mummy is also very happy to see Golu after so many days. She gives chilled cold drinks to all the three children. But then...
Auntie, I really enjoyed meeting Gattu and Chinky after so many days. It is very difficult to make new friends in the new school. That is why I don't have anyone to play with me ever. Oh, so that is why you were sitting alone in the park today, Golu? Yes, Gattu. So will you both come to my house for a play date on Sunday? Auntie, will you send Gattu, Chinky? I have new robot puzzle at my house. It will be lot of fun in solving them, Gattu, Chinky.
Gattu Chinky get excited after hearing about robot puzzles and playdate. Mummy also agrees to it. After this, Golu goes back to his home. On Sunday, Gattu and Chinky get ready at 12 noon.
Gattu Chinky, don't trouble Golu's mummy too much, okay?
Okay, Mummy.
Then Mummy takes Gattu Chinky to Golu's house and drops them over there.
Welcome, Gattu, Chinky. See, Mummy has made her special pizza for both of you for lunch.
Yes, children, please come.
Yay, pizza! Thank you, Auntie. You worked so hard for us.
Oh dear, what hard work. Pizza is getting ready in the oven right now. Till then, you go and play with Golu's puzzles.
Yes, come. Gattu, Chinky, I am going to take you to my playroom.
Gattu Chinky are surprised after hearing about the playroom. They go behind Golu and see that there was another small room next to Golu's room, where there were lots of toys and a small slide too.
Oh my god, Golu! How nice this playroom is! Yes, if I play here all day long, even then I won't get bored. Thank you, friends. Look, here are my new robot puzzles. There are 3 puzzles in it. Take, Chinky. One for you, one for me, and one for Gattu. Oh wow! Then we should have a competition. Whoever completes the puzzle will be the winner. Yes! This is a good idea, Gattu. Come on, let's start then. No. First do 3, 2, 1. Then we will start. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start!
As soon as Gattu says start, Chinky and Golu start completing their puzzle. Pizza was also being prepared inside, and its fragrance spreads in the whole house. With the passing time, Gattu's blue robot's feet become visible, and Chinky's robot's hands. But Golu's puzzle was about to be completed.
Hey Golu, you're very fast in this. Yes, Tinky, I love solving puzzles a lot. That is why I often keep solving a lot of puzzles.
Golu quickly solves his puzzle. And after that, Gattu's puzzle is also completed. In the end, Chinky also joins all her puzzle pieces and completes it.
Is it true? If we keep on practicing, then our speed of solving puzzles will increase, Golu. Not only this, Chinky, my father says that solving these puzzles sharpens our brain. Yes, I have also heard this on TV, Golu.
Just then, Golu's mother calls out to all the three. The pizza was ready. The three of them quickly go out and sit on the dining table.
Here, kids, time for hot pizza.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Mummy.
Then Gattu, Chinky and Golu enjoy eating the pizza, which was really very yummy. Auntie had also kept orange juice with the pizza for the kids.
Auntie, you had made a very tasty pizza. It is even better than the market one. And it is healthy too. And this orange juice is also very refreshing.
Thank you, kids.
Gattu, Chinky, have your lunch quickly. Then we will go and play on the slide. And yes, I have a lot of board games too.
Gattu and Chinky get excited after hearing about board games. And they finish their lunch quickly and go back again to play with Golu. Then the three play a lot of board games together. It is evening in no time and one does not even realize when Mummy comes to pick up Gattu and Chinky.
Kids, how did you like your play date?
It was very nice, Mummy. Auntie made us a yummy pizza too. And we played a lot of games.
Really? Then let's say thank you to Auntie and Golu for inviting you both for the play date.
Yes, thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Golu.
No, kids. After so many days, Golu played with some of his friends. Otherwise, he has not made any friends in the new school yet. You both keep coming to meet Golu like this. He will like it and I will too.
Golu, then you too come to play in the park with us. And Hari and Bunty and Goody too. We all go to play in the same park every day. Is it true, Chinky? Yes, really, Golu.
Golu also becomes very happy on hearing this. And from that day onwards, Golu also starts coming to play with Gattu Chinky every day.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.